Hey everyone, and welcome to another demonstration of the Avance 1501C. But we've got kind of a special job in mind here for you today. We are embroidering a very large design on a heavy-duty denim jacket from Port Authority. So this is a women's medium denim jacket, and it costs us about $28, $29 for one. You get a slight break if you order a case. But we've seen customized jackets like this for sale for anywhere from $150 to $250 on retail sites, on Etsy, and a few other places. So this is the design that we're going to do. And I'm going to ask Sean, who digitized this, to tell me again, how many stitches is it, Sean?
165,895.
165,895 stitches. Now there are 9 different colors and 16 color changes. So basically what we're doing is we are putting the Avance 1501C through its paces. We're doing that for a few reasons. First of all, we want to show you the profit potential if you step outside the bounds of just doing a typical embroidered cap or left chest logo like I'm wearing right here. So if you are more artistic, or you're going to go after clients like motorcycle clubs or special events, or anybody that might wear this kind of heavy-duty denim, it's a high value item. Now we're also doing this so we can show off the mighty hoop, which was needed because this is so heavy duty, and you get to see us use the table on the Avance, which honestly we hardly ever do because we're not usually embroidering something so heavy. But this is going to take about 3 hours to sew out because it is so big. So what I'm going to do is I am going to periodically check back. We will videotape it as it goes, and in the end we'll cut it up so you don't have to watch the entire 3 hours, but you'll get a good sense of what it's like to embroider an item like this. Right now, as this video goes along, if you are watching it on YouTube, feel free to put your questions down below in the comments. And we'll try to put links to the product page for the Avance and a few other great videos that you might want to watch as well.